Hello children, good morning all of you. Welcome to the virtual class presented by Jet Kids. So see student, today we are going to see class 2 English grammar period, okay? And in this grammar period, what we are going to discuss, that is our topic, lesson number 11. Me, us, you, him, her, it, them. So this is the name of our lesson, okay? That is our topic. Lesson number 11, me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Okay, actually these words are the pronouns which we use instead of nouns. Okay, and generally these the lesson number 10, I, you, he, she, it, we have discussed in the previous video, and that were also the pronouns. Okay, so now these are also pronouns, but the whatever we discussed in the previous video, that are the subject pronouns, and these are the object pronouns. Okay, it comes at the place of objects generally. Okay, so let us see this lesson in detail, but they have not given you the name like object pronoun. Okay, that you should not confuse, that's why they have given the name. So let us start with our let's get started activity. So see what you have to do. Here are the 3 sentences and here are the 3 pictures. Okay, so see what you have to do. You have to observe it carefully. Okay, so match the sentences with the pictures. Okay, match the sentences with the pictures. Okay, I am going to read it only, but these sentences you have to only match. This is this exercise is your PH, but I am going to explain you. Number 1, will you play with me? So who is asking this? Obviously it is given in the third picture. Okay, now number 2, this is my ice cream, I want it. Okay, and the father, the boy is speaking to his father. Okay, so this is the first picture. This sentence is related to first picture. Okay, so see, this is the picture. Okay, now next, look at the stars, we are so far away from them. So this is the second picture. Okay, so in this way they have given us the 3 sentences with the 3 pictures. Okay, now see the words which are bolded, or which I have underlined, or which is given in a different ink. Okay, so me, it and them, these are the pronouns and which comes at the object. Like, will you play with me? Okay, so the word me is the object. Okay, so so this is the pronoun. Okay, so instead of my name I use the word me. Okay, if it comes at the starting, what can I use? I can use I. Okay, so ice cream, eat word is there. Look at the stars. For stars they are the plural, so that's why they are away from them. Okay, so we are away from them, so them is the plural pronoun. Okay, stars is the plural word, and for stars we use the word them. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Now let us see. Okay, so see, we also use me, me, us, us, you. Okay, and him, him, him. Okay, her, her, it, and them, them, in place of naming words. Okay, so in place of naming words, what we can use? Me, us, you, him, her, it, and them. We use him for a male. Okay, we use her for a female. Okay children, so let us see the next word. So see, wait a minute. We use it for an animal or a thing. Okay, we use it for an animal or a thing. We use me, you, us, and them. Okay, we use me, you, us, and them to talk about oneself and others. Okay, to talk about oneself and others. Okay, so let us see. Now there is exercise. Okay, so see, this is the exercise. Okay, look at the underlined words, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Okay, so see, look at the underlined words. They have given us the word which are already underlined, and we have to look at these words and we have to fill the blanks. We have to use the proper word for that underlined word. Okay, so see, is this your toy, Rizwan? Please take him or it. Obviously for toy it is a thing, so what we are going to use? We are going to use, see, the picture is already there. Okay, we are going to use it. Okay, so number 2, this is my friend Tim, I have lunch with him or them every day. So okay, so see, Tim is my friend and I have lunch with him, obviously, because them is the plural word and him is the singular word. Okay, so see the picture. Okay, so this is my friend Tim, and it is the name of the boy, and it is that's why we are going to use him, him. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this. Let us see the next sentences of this exercise. Sentence number 3 and 4. Okay, so see what is number 3 sentence is: we are going to the park, please come with them or us. So we means including, if we is there then come with obviously us. Okay, because we is there means the first person is including in this. Okay, so we are going to the park, please come with us. So us is the correct answer. Okay, now next sentence number 4: my mother is buying a train set for, obviously for me. If the first word is first fill in the blank is at the starting place, then we can use the word I, but it is the place of object, that's why me. My mother is buying a train set for me, so me is the correct answer. Okay, so in this way you have to solve. So let us see the next sentence is number 5. Okay, and see picture is also here. Okay, look at the picture and try to give me the answer. So number 5, these are Shanti's books. Okay, so these are Shanti's books, please give in bracket them or it to her. Okay, so see in the picture the books are there and the books are many. Okay, so the noun is plural, so for plural them we are going to use. Okay, so for things we are going to use they and plural, and for it is at the place of object, so please give them to her. So them is the correct word, so let us write the word them. Okay, so in this way you have to solve. Now let us see the next exercise. So what is the exercise? So see, now look at the underlined words. Again in this sentence they have given the words which are already underlined. Okay, so see, the princess is very sad. Okay, the princess is very sad, can you make laugh? Obviously for the princess which pronoun we are going to use? Okay, her, obviously her, because she is the girl. Okay, so her is the correct word, her is the proper pronoun, proper object pronoun. Okay, so princess is very sad and can you make her laugh? So her is the correct answer. Now next sentence number 2 is: the postman has brought a letter. The postman has brought a letter. The word letter is underlined. For letter which pronoun we are going to use? Please take it from him. Obviously for letter we are going to use the pronoun it. So in this way you have to solve. So let us see the next sentences. Okay, so sentence number 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so see number 4, number 3, we are going for a swim, do you want to come with? Obviously come with, we are going for a swim, come with us. Okay, why us? Because we word is used in the sentence, and for we the object pronoun is us. Okay, so you have to learn these pairs. Okay, these number 4, this book is for you, will like it. This book is for you and you will like it. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this exercise. Okay, this book is for you. Okay, and you will like it. Okay, so in this way you have to solve. Number 5, the policeman saw the thief. Okay, the policeman saw the thief, and the thief word is underlined. Okay, he ran after. Okay, the policeman saw the thief. For thief he ran after, okay, him, because so here is the word thief, and for him we are going to use the word him. Okay, so see next sentence. So in this way we solve the exercise. Okay, again a few sentences are here in this. So sentence number 6. Okay, so see, this is Mr. Singh's shop. Okay, this is Mr. Singh's shop. He is my neighbor and he knows what will be the answer? He knows me. This is Mr. Singh's shop. He is my neighbor. So my word is underlined. So for my, the word is me. Okay. Sentence number 7 is, I have many friends. I have many friends, and the word friends is underlined. I play with, obviously for friends, them every afternoon. So the answer is them. Okay, I have many friends and I play with them every afternoon. It's a plural. Okay, and for friends we are going to use them. Okay, so see the next exercise. So what is the exercise? Look at the pictures. Okay, you have to look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with the given words. Okay, so see okay, so see the answers are given, okay, in the box, in the purple box. Okay, means the clues are I, we, he, they, me, him, them. These are the pronouns which we are going to use on the correct places. Okay, so see, this is the picture of the first, and this is the picture for the first sentence. So see what that boy is speaking. Number 1, my name is Shibu. My name is Shibu blank. I am 7-year-old boy. I am 7 years old boy. So I am. So what word we are going to use? We are going to use the pronoun I. So let us see the next sentence. So see sentence number 2, okay, and 3. So see, these are the pictures, okay, and these are the two sentences. So one sentences we are going to discuss. Okay, miss, you will understand it properly. This is my friend Raghav blank is a boy. So see, the Shibu is talking to the friend, okay, and he's saying this is my friend Raghav, and obviously Raghav is a boy, and for boy we are going to use the pronoun he. So he, let us write the word he is a boy. Our best friend. So they are talking about means I is included, means that Shibu is included with his friend, and when they both are talking, so what they are saying, we are best friends. So the word is we is the proper pronoun. So let us see the next part. The next sentence is number 4, okay, and then number 5, and these are the pictures, okay, for these sentences. So let us discuss one by one. Number 4, yesterday Raghav gave an apple. Okay, gave me. See, Shibu is the boy who is having curly hairs. Okay, yesterday Raghav gave me. So me is the correct answer. Okay, see the picture. Now next sentence. Today gave an orange. Today I gave him an orange. So these are the proper pronouns. See, today I gave him. See, Shibu is giving. So Shibu is speaking. That's why for Shibu we use I word. Okay, and he is giving to that boy for, and he giving. So the him word, it comes at the place of object. Okay, so him, instead of he we use the word him. Okay, because Shibu is giving to him. Okay, so that's why him is the correct answer. So let us see the next sentence. That is the sentence number 6. Okay, 6 and 7. So let us see. So these are the pictures for 6 and 7. Okay, so this is my ball. Okay, Shibu is speaking, keep into mind. Okay, this is my ball, Raghav, and I play with. For ball, what we are going to use the pronoun? Obviously it. This is the thing. Okay, now see number 7, they are our friends. Okay, we play with them in the evenings. Yes, they are our friends and we play with them in the evenings. Okay, so I hope you have to you understood this exercise and you have to solve this exercise properly. So dear children, take care of you, stay home, stay safe, and do the PH properly. And even then, if you have any query, you can ask me in online session or in my personal number also. You can send your message whatever your difficulty is there. So you have to solve this lesson today itself. Okay, so do your PH, take care of you, stay home, stay safe. Bye children, have a nice day.